Starting a woodworking business can be an exciting adventure, especially for those who want to create beautiful, functional pieces without incurring substantial costs. The key to success lies in identifying low-cost woodworking ideas that appeal to consumers seeking value and quality. This approach not only ensures profitability, but also provides the creator with the satisfaction of crafting meaningful products. By embracing creativity and resourcefulness, aspiring woodworkers can develop attractive offerings that resonate with buyers while maintaining a focus on cost-effectiveness. The first step toward crafting sellable products on a budget is sourcing quality materials without overspending. Many artisans find value in reclaimed wood, offcuts, or surplus materials available at local suppliers or even for friends and family. This practice not only minimizes material costs, but also allows for eco-friendly designs that attract environmentally conscious consumers. By emphasizing sustainability, woodworkers can tell a compelling story about their creations, enhancing their market appeal. The narrative behind each piece can differentiate the craftsmanship while also aligning with the values of today's buyers who prioritize eco-friendly products. Embracing a minimalist approach to design often leads to stunning and functional creations without excessive material use. Simple, elegant designs can stand out in a crowded market, appealing to consumers who appreciate both form and function. Beginners can benefit from focusing on essential techniques, honing their skills while exploring diverse styles and finishes. Mastering basic woodworking techniques increases confidence and capability, empowering artisans to experiment and innovate. The journey toward skill development serves as a crucial component of building a successful woodworking business, allowing artisans to create unique products that resonate with buyers. Understanding market trends and consumer preferences is vital for woodworkers looking to capture the attention of potential buyers. Conducting research through social media, online marketplaces, and craft fairs can provide valuable insights into what styles and designs are currently in demand. By paying attention to patterns in the market, woodworkers can tailor their offerings to better align with consumer tastes, ultimately increasing their chances of making sales. Adapting to market demands not only strengthens the connection with buyers, but enhances the potential for sustained business growth. Branding plays a significant role in establishing a woodworking business's identity. Artisans should concentrate on crafting a memorable brand that reflects their unique style and core values. This includes developing a compelling brand story that connects their work to their personal journey, making it relatable to customers. A strong brand identity enhances visibility in a competitive market, ensuring that creative projects stand out. By sharing their story through various channels, such as social media, websites, or local craft fairs, artisans create a lasting impression that encourages repeat business and customer loyalty. Effective marketing strategies are essential for introducing products to potential buyers. Aspiring woodworkers should leverage social media platforms to showcase their creations, share behind-the-scenes glimpses into their crafting processes, and build an engaged follower base. High-quality visuals and engaging content can attract attention and generate interest, driving traffic to their online stores or local markets. Establishing an online presence also allows artisans to reach broader audiences, maximizing their market potential and providing opportunities for direct sales without the financial burden of physical storefronts. Customer engagement is a key factor in cultivating a loyal clientele. Artisans should prioritize communication and responsiveness, creating positive experiences that leave lasting impressions. Actively seeking feedback from customers can help woodworkers refine their products and ensure they meet the needs of their audience. This dialogue fosters connections that transcend transactional relationships, creating a sense of community around the brand. Happy customers often return for more and are likely to recommend the artisan's work to friends and family, contributing to organic growth. As woodworking businesses evolve, financial management becomes an important aspect of sustainability. Aspiring woodworkers should establish clear budgets that account for material costs, labor, and marketing investments. Learning how to balance production costs with competitive pricing is essential for profitability. Tracking expenses and revenues will provide insights into the business's financial health, allowing artisans to make informed decisions about pricing strategies and product development. Financial literacy equipped artisans to set realistic goals that drive their growth and long-term success. Diversifying product offerings can further enhance market appeal. Woodworkers should explore the creation of customizable pieces or limited edition styles that attract various customer segments. By experimenting with seasonal items or thematic collections, artisans can keep their offerings fresh and intriguing, ensuring they cater to trends and respond to changing consumer preferences. A dynamic and varied product range helps sustain interest in the brand and encourages repeated visits from existing customers, leading to increased sales opportunities. Networking within the woodworking community can yield significant benefits for aspiring artisans. Forming connections with other woodworkers, suppliers, and craft enthusiasts creates a supportive environment for growth. Engaging in local workshops or collaborative projects presents opportunities for skill sharing and inspiration, fostering a sense of camaraderie among artisans. These relationships can open doors to new markets, collaborative opportunities, and vital support as they navigate the entrepreneurial landscape. Innovation is crucial for staying relevant in the woodworking market. Artisans should embrace a mindset of experimentation, continually seeking out new techniques, styles, and methods to elevate their work. Challenging themselves to step outside their comfort zones can lead to stunning results that attract buyers. By integrating innovative techniques into their creations, woodworkers not only enhance their craft, but also bring fresh perspectives to their work, making their pieces stand out in a competitive marketplace. Setting clear goals is a vital practice in building a successful woodworking business. Woodworkers should outline their aspirations, whether it's mastering new techniques, achieving specific sales targets, or expanding their audience reach. Regularly reviewing and adjusting these goals helps maintain focus and motivation along the journey. Celebrating achievements, no matter how small, reinforces commitment to the craft and inspires further growth, providing the necessary encouragement to push through challenges. Exceptional customer service is essential for maintaining a positive brand reputation. Providing timely responses to inquiries, delivering quality products, and ensuring customer satisfaction should be a top priority. A seamless buying experience and attentive communication can lead to strong relationships that encourage repeat purchases and referrals. By valuing customer feedback and showing appreciation for their support, artisans foster loyalty and help nurture a strong sense of community around the brand. Continuous learning should be integral to every woodworker's journey. Engaging in workshops, online courses, or exploring industry literature enables continuous skill development and offers insights into best practices within the woodworking business. Establishing relationships with experienced mentors can provide unique perspectives that enhance personal and professional growth. By embracing a commitment to learning, artisans position themselves for success and adaptability in a rapidly changing market.